Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well, and before I actually start, I just want to quickly apologize. I currently have a cold, so my voice is a bit more nasally than usual. However, that won't actually impact the tutorial to any noticeable extent. So let's get right into it. To actually recover your account, as you can see, I am not currently logged into battle.net. If I hover over the account tab, you will see I'm not logged in. And what we want to do is just click on login, and you will be taken to the login screen, which looks like this. Once you're at this screen, you will see the fields to enter your email or phone number if your account is associated with a phone number, and your password to your account, as is usual for each and every service on this green earth. And now what we want to do to actually enter our account without a authenticator, click on can't log in, and once you do, you will be brought to this screen. Now here you want to choose which option you want, and we want to choose the remove my authenticator button. Once you are here, you will be able to enter your email or phone tutorial, and once I do, just click on continue, and your new device or location which you can log. This is the screen you'll be brought into pretty much, and you will need to submit a ticket to request an authenticator removal if you're using a new device, which is a bit unfortunate since it could take a bit of time through Battle.net to support. However, that should be it. You just send a ticket request and it shall be answered quite quickly, and you will be able to access your account again. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.